Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. I am sitting in my garden in West Virginia. My growing zone is 6A. Things about me. Yes, I am French. That's why I have this big accent. And everything that I do in my garden usually has a European flair, some kind of French twist to it. It's just who I am. It has to be easy maintenance, I guess. I'm not a lazy gardener, but I am in a way. I try to garden smart. If there's such a thing as gardening smart. I do have a toad that is singing in my pond. Maybe I'll be able to talk, maybe not. I have the backyard behind me. I built this bird feeding station last spring after struggling for many years with a bad system that I had. What I did is I went to the local lumber store and bought some galvanized pipe threaded on each ends and some adapters like T's and caps, and I just built my structure myself. Built a tray over here. It's a solar fountain that bubbles during the day when it's sunny, and it circulates the water, and I change that daily. I usually also clean my bird feeders every 4 to 5 days, depending how dirty they get. What I do is I use 1 part of bleach for 9 parts of water. Just clean them properly, hang them to dry, and when they dry I refill them. I build it kind of flat, and the reason I did that is where I am sitting right now on my deck is where I sit in the morning. I look outside. I like to be able to see the birds feeding, and by being flat it allows me to look at all the bird feeder at the same time, so it's kind of fun. I have a few challenges right now with my system. One of them is, as you can see over here, it's not landscape, and all the seeds that falls down are growing in my grass. Probably have to landscape that soon and find a solution to it. Another challenge that I have, and that's recent, is the blackbirds. Somehow they moved into my bird feeding station. I would put my bird seeds in the morning, and by noon everything was gone. One solution that I found for my issues with my blackbirds was to use safflower seeds. So that's what I'm doing. I'm transitioning to that. And the reason that the blackbirds don't like them, and actually any kind of pest birds don't like it, it's because it's bitter. All the other birds, so blue jays, cardinals, all the pretty birds you want in your bird feeder, they love it. So my favorite bird feeders this year are from Good Directions. I own 2 of them. I think they are great. The first one that I do have, it's called the Castella. This is as a dome, and they're pure copper, and they are great. And my other model that I do have is the Palazzo. And what I do like about them being real copper is they will age very nicely and develop a patina. Very easy to feel, easy to clean, and if you really want to dismantle the whole thing, there's a nut in the bottom, and you just make it, clean it all up, put it back together, and you're ready. Look at that. Are they not beautiful? They're gorgeous. Yes, I'm crazy about my bird feeders, but they are beautiful, and they're quality, and that's what it's all about. They will last forever, and I'm pretty proud of them. This is the villa made by Good Directions. It's beautiful. It's really a nice piece in my garden. All the copper accents are really solid copper. The roof comes off and you can clean inside very nicely. And on the side, there's ventilation holes, and also there's some decorative star on each side. So it's very beautiful. Please keep watching the video. I'm gonna have to let you go because my next door neighbor started to mow and my toad in my pond started to sing. So you won't be able to hear me, but it was nice talking to you. I look forward to see you next time. Bye.